case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1942, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Mishawaka Rubber and Woolen Manufacturing Company, VSS Kresge Company, which centered around a trademark dispute between two shoe manufacturers. The petitioner sued the respondent for infringing on their registered trademark, a red circular plug embedded in the center of a heel, arguing that the respondent's similar-looking yet cheaper quality heels were causing confusion among customers and damaging the petitioner's reputation. The court found in favor of the petitioner and ordered the respondent to cease infringement and account for the profits made from their unlawful use of the trademark. The case then went to the Supreme Court to determine the appropriate measure of profits and damages. The Supreme Court clarified that the core issue was calculating profits and damages, not the infringement itself, as the Trademark Act protects against unauthorized use of registered marks. The petitioner was entitled to recover damages sustained by the wrongful use of their trademark, and the respondent bore the burden of proving that any profit they made was not related to the infringement. However, the trademark owner was not entitled to profits that were demonstrably not attributable to the unlawful use of their mark. The court decided that the petitioner was entitled to an award of profits directly attributable to the respondent's infringing use of the trademark. If it was impossible to isolate profits specifically attributable to the infringement, the trademark owner may receive a windfall. The decision was not without controversy, however, as Justice Black dissented from the majority opinion, arguing that there was insufficient evidence to prove that ordinary purchasers were misled into believing that the respondent's heels were products of the petitioner's company. Justice Black believed that the decision unfairly rewarded the petitioner and imposed an undue penalty on the respondent.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.